Hey y'all, welcome to a new episode of Let's Review That App. In today's video, we are looking at an app named Text Photo World Art from Pic. It's a pretty simple, well, it looks like a simple app that turns picture into text artwork. The maker of the app commented on my Reddit post earlier today and decided maybe good idea to take a look at it. Something a little bit different from all the other apps that I've seen, so this might be interesting. I haven't had the chance to use the app yet, as you already know, so we're going to take a look at it together for the first time. So looking at the App Store listing here, looks like it's a pretty old app. Well, you know, considering what you consider old, it's probably over 3 years old because the oldest version I see here is 0.7.8. So maybe it goes all the way down. I don't know. Looks like it has a decent reviews, but this is a little bit confusing. I can't tell if these reviews are for a recent version or if this is like the entire review for like the existence of the entire app. In terms of the app size, it is 37.2 megabytes, which is also a decent size. It's not anything crazy. So interesting to see what this app really does. I also know that the app comes in iPad and Mac versions. So if that is something you're interested in, your versions for the iPad and also the Mac. Without wasting your time, let's get right into the app. So, okay, off the jump, the UI seems pretty basic. I can't say if I really like it. If you look at the bottom here, the texts are very hard to see, right? You can see the picture because it's highlighted in blue, but the other ones are really hard to see. So if I were the developer, I would probably use something that has more contrast, because makes it really hard to understand what's going on here. So I'm guessing you select the picture, but this doesn't really tell you that you select the picture. It just says start here and it shows you an image. But I'm guessing you have to tap on it. Okay, yeah, you tap on it, then you select it. It will be better if there was some kind of indication that lets you know, okay, tap here to select the photo or something. It just says start here, which is confusing. Not everybody will know that you have to tap on it. Go into words. Okay, you add a list of your words here. It says add a new word. Okay. The UI is still very basic. Doesn't look like a lot of effort was put into it. Okay, this is a disclaimer for the font that is being used. Okay, I understand. I can't tell if this I can't tell if this like the default for the fonts to show how the fonts are being, like what the fonts look like. Okay, you can add more fonts. It would be good if like next to all those fonts you see what it actually looks like, because I'm really confused about what exactly I should select. It's just a bunch of names, nothing to show what these fonts look like. So I can't even pick anything because I don't know what they are off the top of my head. But let me go ahead and select a photo, allow full access. I only set photos just for this demo. Select the photo here, done. Let's see. Okay, well, this is nice, I would say. Okay, I see this is the font that is being used. This is nice, and I'm guessing it's using this text as well. Is there a way to change? Okay, let's try a different photo and see. Okay, I wonder how they're doing it. Maybe some type of like filter overlay, or maybe an API call is being made. I don't feel like checking any of that stuff right now. Okay, has controls. Do the controls work after the fact. Okay, it doesn't look okay. It looks like it's like a step control. You can't drag it. Okay, you can drag this one though. Let me turn this off. And does it have any effect? No. Okay, maybe it's only for before you select the photo. I can't. Oh, you can't zoom. Oh, you can zoom in. Okay, I just wanted to see if the text actually make up the image or if it's like an overlay, but it looks like the text make up the image itself, which is cool. It's not very responsive. Okay, it doesn't look like there's too much to this app. Not even going to waste your time. What do I think about the app? I think the UI is very bare. Not too much effort put into it, especially for an app that is over 3 years old. I don't know if this was one of those projects where, you know, someone built an app and just for the sake of building an app, right? Here's an app that I built and put it out there and doesn't really maintain it. But I don't think this is the case, considering the newest update was 2 weeks ago, and it looks like it's being maintained fairly over time. Not a lot, but it's been maintained, where you can see 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, 9 months, 2 weeks ago. So maybe it's not something that the developer focuses on. This is not his priority, obviously. But it would be good if the UI was updated, something more modern, something more user friendly. That will make things a lot better, make understanding, you know, the app better, make it obvious what the app can do, right? You see all this, like if this was an app that I wasn't reviewing and I downloaded it to use it and I launched it and I saw this, I will more than likely delete the app just because it's, you know, the user interface is not appealing to me, right? I wouldn't even give it a chance to show me what it can do. And I'm pretty sure that is the same feeling many people will have, especially trying out a brand new app, right? Brand new app, people are not really forgiving to very new apps. If the app is already established and, you know, it has a lot of users, people are more forgiving, right? Because they can say, oh, because this app has a lot of users, there must be something that they really like. Let me look past the bad UI. Let me look past the button that doesn't work and keep using this app. But for brand new apps, people are not really that forgiving. So that is something to keep in mind. Will I use this app? No. All right. I don't care too much for word arts. And, you know, knowing that the UI is something like, I keep going back to the UI because that's my main thing. Like I love a well looking app, an app that is very visually appealing. That is a major thing that keeps me using an app. If I like, obviously the feature is a big thing, but if the app looks good to me, then I want to keep it. Like it's a mental thing for me. So if the UI is bad, I will always remember, like, yeah, I don't like that. That is really, you know, taking me. So would I use the app? No. Should my opinion about using the app or not using the app affect you as a viewer? No. My own responsibility is to show you the app, show you what the app does, go through the features and use it, right? You see the way I use it, you see the problems I run into, you hear my opinions, and then you form your own opinion. Will you use this app? Is this something you currently use? Are you the maker of this app? I would like to hear your comments. I would like to hear your thoughts. You know, share with me. Let me know what you think. And yeah, straightforward. Not too much going on. You know, it seems like it's kind of stuck in time, if I can say. But yeah, so that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Remember, please like, share, subscribe. I appreciate everyone that has stuck with me so far. Next time.